Honestly, the Cotswolds is what you picture when you think of the English countryside. Rolling green hills and these little villages that look like they haven't changed in a couple hundred years. For me, it was classic England. You're walking along quiet trails, then suddenly you come into a village with honey-colored stone houses and a little pub on the corner. One of my favorite spots was Broadway Tower. You climb up through the fields, and suddenly you're looking out over the entire countryside. On a clear day, you can see for miles. And then there's Burton-on-the-Water, which people call the Venice of the Cotswolds. It's got these little stone bridges crossing the river through the village. It's honestly just a really lovely place to wander around. Doing this trip with Max Adventure made the whole thing really easy. They booked all the accommodations along the route, cozy little inns and guest houses, and my luggage was transferred ahead each day. So I was just hiking with a light day pack, which literally was a weight off my shoulders. I chose to hike here because I wanted something relaxed, somewhere you could just take your time and enjoy being outside. And that's kind of what the Cotswolds is all about. Just walking through beautiful countryside, stopping in small villages, and taking it all in as you go.